welcome to the Robobloq Steam Show. Our quest for music continues today. In our last episode, we learned how to build a record player out of QScout to play music for us. And in this episode, with this Robobloq Multi-touch sensor, we will be able to play music ourselves. It looks just like a mini keyboard from a piano, and also we have notes on it represented by numbers from 1 to 8. I know it would take years before I can play some real music for you, so I won't torture you now. Let's move to the coding side because that's the easy part where we can all learn very fast. First, let's make sure our robot is connected with our PC device. And let's get started by using when program began block. Find our forever loop block. In the control section, in this program, we also have to make up a variable, we call it C. Let's set C to the value of our sensor. In this case, the sensor is our multi-touch sensor, and C represents its value. And let's go to if and then conditional block, and when C equals to the note 1, we will give it a facial expression, the note C4 for half the beat. So right here, this number 1 represents the note 1. On our keyboard, there are numbers 1 to 8, and each number represents a note, which are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. So once we finish the first one, we can use the duplicate function to finish up the rest. Make sure you got the port right. Our sensor is plugged in port 1. And you can use a different expression for different note if you like. Also, make sure that different note play the different sound. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so this is the entire program. Once you finish your program, hit the upload button to send your program to our QScout robot. Eventually, that's gonna be me. Do you like our robot piano? We have so many cool sensors lined up for our next few episodes. Please subscribe to watch more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.